Christine Create the Hearts, and I'm here just to do a little project share. So let's see, I'm going to start actually with this one. So every month, the Greening Farm has a challenge, and they do their challenges. And I think this month it is a Christmas in July project. And so I pulled this one out, which is called Holiday Anya 12. So I believe this is the newest Holiday Anya, and first time I've used it, so I was excited to use it. Super, super cute. And I went really easy with my card. So I actually used a paper pad from La Land Crafts. So it's one of those that sort of has a scene sort of already printed on there. And I went with this gold scene. And then I just colored all my little characters. I did all of them with Copics. And then I fussy cut them out and I mounted them on the front of the paper using some foam tape. And then all I did was I used the sentiments, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and I heat embossed it in gold just right on the front of the card. And I love her. She came out so cute. Really easy to do. And then the next card is sort of prototype, because I kind of messed up. But I watched the video again on how to use this die. So I had watched it the first time on my phone, which was super tiny, and I missed a step because I knew I missed a step because it wasn't quite working right. Now, Lawn Fawn has a die very similar to this one, and I used it when I went to their headquarters. They had you could go on a Saturday, they had their headquarters open, you can go shop and do a make and take. And so I did get to see this in action. So this was maybe 2 years ago, maybe a year ago, I can't remember. Anyway, they now have one, or La Land Crafts now has one, and it came in my summer bundle that I had purchased. And so Irina has a video on how to use this die, and I definitely missed a step. So I kind of compensated, but didn't quite compensate correctly, but it still works. But I rewatched the video on my TV, and now it makes more sense because on my phone, I was like, God, something is not quite right. So I'll get into that. But I also used, oh yeah, I used this. I think I used this one as well. I had gotten this stamp die set when I went to the Mama L, because their Lawn Fawn is going to be the next I think adventure, I can't remember what it's called exactly, but it's an in-person event. They did a Mama Elephant one last year, and this is held in Orange. Doing another one in, I think, April, and it's Lawn Fawn. And so at the end of the event, we got a gift, and this was the gift. So I'm finally using it. And so this is I believe it's 5.5 by 5.5 card. You can see fluttering by to say, have a beautiful day. And I've got the butterflies here. And then when you open it, so what I was supposed to do is I was supposed to glue this piece on to this white piece, but I did not do that. I glued it down here because I didn't realize. It makes more sense now because I couldn't figure it out. I'm like, what is not working? So I glued this part down. I mean, it still works very well and it's very cute, but this part should swing as well. And so I learned something on how to properly do this die, but it's still very, very cute. And I think I'll still give it away because someone will still have fun playing with it. But this is a really fun die. And some of the dies I don't love. Like there's that one that you kind of like push up, pop up one. I don't love that one because it's sort of awkward to put in a card. It's sort of awkward to give to somebody, and that kind of have to show them how to do it. So I don't love that one, so I don't use it. So I prefer using the ones like this one where it's like a regular card. They have another one, I forget what it's called, that pops up and there's like the 4 little panels. I like that one too because it just has a wow factor, but it's the person who gets it doesn't have to do anything. They just open the card and it works. And those are the best ones I find. There's a pull-up one that pulls up and kind of pops up a little bit. That one's cool too because it's easy to use. And so I just find that these types of cards that kind of just open and work are much easier for the people that I send cards to. I don't have to explain how it works. Anyway, it's really cute. It's really fun. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crave the Heart.